To make a purchase on AliExpress using PayPal, start by opening a browser and navigating to aliexpress.com, where you will log into your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can browse and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. After adding the items, click on the cart icon at the top right to review and confirm the products you want to buy. When you are ready, click on Checkout to proceed to the checkout page, where your address details will be pre-filled if you have saved them. If not, you can add a new address by clicking on the Add New Address option. Under the Payment Method section, you will see the option to add a new card, and next to it, you can click on View More to see other available payment methods. If PayPal is supported in your location, you can select it from the list. Then confirm your order details and click Place Order. You will be redirected to the PayPal website, where you will log in with your credentials, verify your purchase, and complete the order. This process allows you to easily pay with PayPal on AliExpress.